What is joint custody of children? Joint custody of children and the laws surrounding it can differ from state to state and may be called different things depending on the state. However, basic principles of child custody law tend to apply across the board. Generally, the idea of child custody is really split into two parts: legal custody and physical custody. Legal custody, which may be called different things, is granted to the parent or parents that are then able to decide the important issues regarding the child. This includes where the child will live, what religion the child will be raised in, what school the child will attend, and any necessary medical decisions for the child. Most courts in this country give a preference to joint legal custody of children. This means that these major decisions regarding a child must be made by both parents having an equal say. If the parents disagree on an important issue, the child custody order will typically give a way to resolve such dispute, such as going to a neutral third party or mediator. In some cases, the parents may agree, or a judge may order, one parent to be the sole legal custodian of the child, although it's more common to share joint legal custody. The other type of custody is known as physical custody of children. This can also be called parenting time or sometimes visitation. Physical custody simply means the person the child is physically present with at that time. In these situations, the physical custodian is able to make everyday decisions about the child, such as what time homework should be completed, whether they can watch TV, or what to eat for dinner. Except in an emergency, a parent with only physical custody should not be making important decisions regarding the child without the other parent's knowledge and input. Parents can and do typically share physical custody of children through a custody schedule and visitation order, although it's fairly common for one parent to be named the primary physical custodian. This is typically the parent who has the child for the majority of the time, who lives in the school district the child attends school for, and who will usually receive child support from the other parent. If you need help with child custody, do not hesitate to reach out to a family law and child custody attorney. If you have further questions, feel free to submit a contact form to askthelawyers.com.